Hello everyone, here we will be setting up a quarantine aquarium. First of all, what is quarantine aquarium? For those who don't know, it is a separate aquarium enclosure to keep sick and diseased fish or organism and treat them with proper medicine or proper treatment procedures. If you have saltwater or freshwater aquarium, both needs a proper quarantine aquarium. So when you buy a new fish for your saltwater or freshwater aquarium, acclimate and keep them in quarantine aquarium for about 2 weeks or so, because you cannot know, it might be carrying a bacterial, protozoan or any itch infection that can spread and kill your other healthy fish in the main aquarium if you directly put them in it. Also, any fish that is already in your main aquarium have any kind of disease or infection, then you can move them also to quarantine aquarium and treat them separately. So a quarantine aquarium can prevent the spreading of diseases and infection to your other healthy fish in your main aquarium. All equipment like fish net, filter, heater, etc. that is used to treat fish in quarantine aquarium should be kept separate and should not be used in the main aquarium you have. You can keep quarantine aquarium below your main aquarium or somewhere separate in quiet and calm place. First I show you how to make a quarantine aquarium, and then I will tell you what all medicines you can buy to treat some common diseases and infection that occurs in fish. So watch the video till the end and know more about quarantine aquarium and how you can identify and treat your diseased fish in quarantine aquarium. First we will start with the aquarium. I am taking an old aquarium of capacity around 15 gallons. You can take larger aquarium as well. Larger the aquarium, more fishes you can treat and less are the chances of ammonia spikes. This 15-gallon aquarium along with its top lid cost me around $12. I am making an quarantine aquarium logo so that the aquarium feels like hospital tank or quarantine tank. Now next I am painting the sides and bottom with white spray paints. You can choose any darker color as well. Fish can be less stressful in darker color. Clean and dry the outer sides very well before spraying the paint. Keep the side that should not be coated with paint downward so that it will be easy to spray from outside on the sides and bottom very easily. I am going to spray the second coat, so this time I am placing the visible side downward and spraying the paint. Also note that don't touch the sides of aquarium after spraying the paint. Either the whole coat will come out or it will leave marks on the sides that look bad after filling water. Also you will have a hard time removing the paint from your hands. So I advise to wear smoke mask and gloves before dealing with the spray paint. Leave the coat untouched for 12 hours or more and then start with the next coat. I think 3 coats are enough to cover the sides and bottom. You can remove unwanted spray stains using a paint thinner. Thinner can also remove spray stains from your hands as well. Now the tank is ready and looks awesome, isn't it? Next is Quarantine Aquarium Light. A Quarantine Aquarium light should be dim and not that strong, which is used in planted aquarium or marine aquariums having corals. If you have any spare light, it will do. Strong light can induce stress in sick and diseased fish. Now for Quarantine Aquarium, I cut out an acrylic sheet piece and bend its end using a blowtorch so that it fits on the lid. Now to attach the light, I have to drill holes on this piece of acrylic holder that I made. so the holder clip has a hole to fit the nuts properly. As per the hole size, I am using the exact size drill bit. Now I have made the holes on the holder. Next, you can pass the clip and nuts onto the holder. So my light is fitting properly onto the holder. Next, I am attaching the wire. And the light is glowing properly. Next, I have to insulate the wire joining with the insulating tape. Now I am attaching the light with its holder onto the lid I have. And the light is glowing properly. Again, I recommend any small light with less power to avoid stress to the sick fish you are treating. Next, I clean the inner sides properly and I am going to fill water into the aquarium. Low pH tap water or RO water is sufficient for use in quarantine aquarium. High pH can cause ammonia spikes. You can lower the pH using driftwood or almond leaves if your tap water has high pH of 6 or 7. You can also search on internet for tips for lowering pH in freshwater aquarium or marine aquarium. If you are setting up marine quarantine aquarium, add adequate amount of marine salt so that the salinity could match your main marine aquarium. Now next is filtration. I have dropped links in video description to buy all or any of the materials or equipment mentioned in this video. For filtration, you can use the following filter: a power head filter, which is very strong filter, a hang-on back filter, which is also okay. You can also use canister filter or filter with UV sterilizer that can kill the infecting bacteria or virus. You also need aquarium aeration stones. I am using a sponge filter along with air stone attached with regulators and powered with a simple air pump. So I am going to install this filtration plus oxygenation system to the quarantine aquarium. I have the regulator attached because sometime after medicating the water for fish, you need to lower the filtration to avoid sucking up all the medicines into the filter, and at that time more of aeration is required. So a regulator can shut or increase the filtration and or aeration. The filtration and aerations are now installed and working in good and proper way. Next is the quarantine aquarium temperature. You can check the temperature using a digi thermometer. Again, links to buy it is in the video description. Fishes like discus or angelfish needs high temperature around 30 degrees Celsius, so a heater with temperature regulator is also required. Check video description to check out some and buy it if you don't have a separate heater available. You can also have a generic digital LCD TDS meter like this one to measure the total dissolved solid in case you have high medicine dosage and there is a requirement for water change. High TDS require water change. It's quite optional, you can buy it or stick with your regular water changes. So that's it. Quarantine Aquarium setup is almost complete. Now next I will tell you about identifying sick fish and what all medicines are required in possession in case the need arrives. You can check links in video description to buy them. You can identify a sick fish by its behavior. If it does not eat food and swim freely in aquarium, it can have some internal parasite diseases. Fish with shrunken stomach is also a diseased fish. White spot on eye is a protozoan attack. Floating on top of the tank is swim bladder disease. There are many more diseases, so if you doubt a fish is sick or diseased, you can move them to quarantine aquarium. It applies to both the new fish you bring them from pet store and or any existing fish in your main aquarium. Isolate the sick fish to quarantine aquarium and note the symptoms that the fish shows, and search on internet or consult a vet to confirm the disease type. Once disease is confirmed and causing agent is confirmed, you can treat the required medicine to the fish. I will tell about some common medicines that can treat some common diseases that occurs in fish. First one is Epsom salt or aquarium salt. Salt bath is a common treatment for fish having mild bacterial or virus infection outside their body. Next is Metroplex from Cesium, which is used for treating internal parasite or bacterial infection in freshwater and marine fish. Then is the Focus, which is used to bind any medicine to fish food and then dose them to fish so that they eat the food with medicine and it goes in and eliminates the harmful internal parasite or bacteria. It comes with recommended dosage instruction on its outer label and has small spoon inside to take the medicine. Now after binding medicine to fish food, some fish may don't eat it due to unpleasant smell or flavor. So for that you need to add additives like Cesium garlic guard, which is a garlic additive or flavor enhancer for finicky eaters. Next is anti-ick solution or methylene blue that treat ick and white spot issues. Again the usage directions are printed on the label. Next is Cesium Paragard, which eradicates ectoparasites and fungal, bacterial or viral lesions. So if you see mild diseases in fish, you can treat them with this solution first. If the disease still persists, you can use other treatment. Besides this, you can also have General Cure, which treats parasite fish diseases. Then comes API EM erythromycin, a fish treatment medicine which treats bacterial fish diseases. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Drop your questions, suggestions in the comment section below. I think this video was helpful for you. Like and share this video to friends or relatives. Also subscribe and turn on notification to watch the upcoming videos from this channel. You can also check the video description for necessary product purchase, social network, follow up, etc. Until next video, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.